I was taking a bath. Long about a Saturday night. Rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Well, I stepped out the tub and put my feet on the floor. I wrapped the towel around me and I opened the door. And in a splash, I jumped back in the bath. I was out and know there was a party